everyone, Tad Stevens here. Wanted to make a quick video on our Excel courses that we offer on CPEthink.com. All of these are online. At the moment they're all self-study. Many of them are in video and several of them are in text as well, and we are working on getting the video ones transcribed, so should have that done shortly if it's not done by the time you watch this video. So a couple ways you can get to the Excel courses on our site. First off, you can go up to the courses menu, hover over that, and this drop down will come up, and in the middle column you go down to about halfway down and you'll see Excel. Just click on that and the site will give you a list of all of the Excel courses, or all of the courses that have Excel or refer to Excel. And you'll see we have several in video here, different topics, database, interactive, spreadsheets, lookup functions, pivot tables, got a lot on pivot tables, logic functions, VLOOKUP, table features, and we have, I believe we have about 54. I'll show you another way that we can look at for these that will tell us exactly how many. You put Excel in the keyword and leave all this as the default, all the others. Click search and you will get a list that is basically, or that is exactly the same courses, just looks a little different because we have this sidebar over here. But you'll see we're showing 1 out of 25 of 54, and if you want to see all of them, you go over here to this records per page and just pick a number that's higher than the number of courses, and it will put them all on one page for you. So then you can just scroll down, and these are listed alphabetically, and so you can see that. If you're looking for a certain number of courses, or excuse me, a certain number of online CPE credits, you can sort by number of hours, either ascending or descending. So we have one course that references Excel, it has 39 hours, and you can see most of our Excel courses are fairly short and quick, and this is intentional because we want you to be able to get in, get the information that you want, and then move on. So you see the vast majority of our courses are less than 4 or 5 hours. Most of them are 2 hours long. So come check us out. We have a lot of Excel plus a lot of other courses, accounting and auditing, tons of tax, lots and lots of ethics courses and state-specific and board-approved ethics. So come see us, and we'll, lastly, is you look down here at the bottom, this is our chat bubble. If you click on that, a little chat will come up, and you will see here that you can start a new conversation. Go in and just key that in and let us know, and we'll get right back to you. So anything we can help with, let us know. Love to have you on the site. Bye.